Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well and fine in your life. So today is day 3 of IBPS Clerk 2021 and I am uploading the daily schedule for beginners who are preparing for IBPS Clerk only. Okay, so today is the day 3 of this schedule. First, you will cover the current affairs, and for current affairs, you can use Affairs Cloud. First, you have to watch the video of Affairs Cloud, and after that, you have to read the question and answer PDF of Affairs Cloud. And if you have not bought the Affairs Cloud subscription till now, then I suggest you to buy this, because if you study current affairs from Affairs Cloud, then there is no need to go anywhere. Okay. So just try to follow Affairs Cloud and first watch their video, and after that you can revise the question answer PDF and then you can attempt the quizzes. Now for maths, tomorrow you have to, like today, you have to do the level 3 percentage chapter, and for this you can follow Amar Sir's YouTube videos. Okay, and try to practice 10 simplification, 10 quadratic, 10 wrong number series and 10 missing number series. Then practice 2 to 3 prelims level DIs, and for all of this you can go for Guidely PDF course. Guidely has launched a separate PDF course for IBPS Clerk, so you can buy this PDF course, and in this PDF course there are daily targets given for prelims and mains, and you can use them according to your preparation. Okay, so try to follow this PDF course. Plus one more thing is that the best thing about this PDF course is that if you get stuck in any question, like if you are getting confused and if you do not know how to solve these questions, then they provide video solutions for the questions. So it is very good. Like if you have doubt, then you can simply watch the video solution and then the solution becomes clear in your mind. Plus the PDFs are available in Hindi and in English language also. And if you go for their grand bundle PDF course, then you will get 40,000 plus questions. So it is very good. I will give you the link of this in description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also, 12%. Then for reasoning, tomorrow you have to do inequality basics, and for inequality basics you can go Bankers Point YouTube channel. Okay, there is a channel names Banker Point on YouTube. You have to cover your basics of inequality from that channel, then try to practice 10 prelims mixed puzzles, and for this also you can follow this Guidely PDF course. Then for English, tomorrow you have to read the editorial. Okay, try to read one simple editorial. Then revise noun and pronoun chapters which you have covered on day 1 and day 2. After that, practice mixed questions of noun and pronoun. Okay, and for this you can go for online quizzes. So that's all for tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day, and try to follow this. If you follow this on regular basis, then I guarantee you that you will cover all the syllabus on time.